If you're going through a divorce, or even thinking about one, stop scrolling for a second. Because your ex might already be taking more than you know. And the scariest part, it's often completely legal. I've seen people lose thousands of dollars, property, even custody of their children, all because they missed the traps hidden in plain sight. In this video, I'll walk you through 5 secret ways your ex could quietly take more from you, and exactly how to protect yourself before it's too late. Stay till the end, because I'll give you a simple checklist that could literally save your finances and your future. Let's start with the first secret: hidden bank accounts and quiet transfers. This one is sneaky, and it happens more often than people realize. It's not always a suitcase of cash under the bed. Sometimes it's small transfers over time, a new bank account opened quietly, or a forgotten investment app. They might forget to mention certain savings or move money in small amounts to keep it off the radar. The fix: pull all bank statements for at least the last 12 months. Look for repeated small withdrawals or transfers to unknown accounts. Ask for full financial disclosure, every account, every statement. If you see something suspicious, freeze joint cards immediately and alert your lawyer. Even one unexplained transfer can open the door to a much bigger problem. The second trap is credit and debt manipulation. This one can destroy your finances if you don't pay attention. During separation, you're still financially connected until the divorce is finalized. That means your ex could secretly open new joint credit cards, take loans, or rack up debt under your name, and legally, you're still responsible. They could max out shared cards or delay payments, damaging your credit score in the process. To protect yourself, pull your credit report from all major bureaus and highlight anything you don't recognize. Contact the lenders and request removal from shared debt. And most importantly, make sure your final settlement clearly states who's responsible for every account. Don't rely on promises like "I'll handle it." Get it in writing, because verbal trust means nothing in legal terms. The third secret way your ex could take more is by slipping dangerous clauses into your settlement. Ones that make you sign away your future benefits. Clauses with words like final, irrevocable, or no future claims can seem harmless, but they might permanently erase your rights to alimony, pension, retirement funds, or stock options. Many people are emotionally exhausted during divorce. They just want it over, so they sign without reading deeply. But that's how irreversible mistakes happen. Never rush the step. Have an independent lawyer or financial advisor review every word, especially the fine print. One single line could cost you years of security and thousands of dollars in benefits you earn together. Think of it like this: your signature isn't just closing a chapter, it's deciding the terms of your entire next one. The fourth secret: undervalued property and fake appraisals. This one's common in divorces involving homes, vehicles, or family businesses. Your ex might present an appraisal that conveniently undervalues an asset, so they can keep more for themselves. They may even use a friendly evaluator to make the numbers look smaller. Don't fall for it. Always get your own independent appraisal. And if your ex owns a business, hire a forensic accountant to analyze the books. Hidden income, fake expenses, or manipulated losses are classic tricks to reduce how much they owe you. I've seen people lose tens of thousands of dollars because they trusted a single number. When it comes to shared assets, never rely on their estimate. Get the facts from your own source. And finally, number 5, custody and parental expense loopholes. This one hurts the most emotionally. Some custody agreements look fair on paper, but are written with vague language that can backfire later. Terms like reasonable expenses or shared costs sound simple, but what does reasonable even mean? It could mean you end up paying for everything, from school supplies and sports fees to medical bills, while your ex contributes nothing. These vague terms lead to endless disputes, stress, and drained finances. The solution is clarity. Every responsibility should be spelled out: who pays for what, how reimbursements work, and how disagreements will be handled. Ambiguity is the enemy of fairness. When it's not written clearly, it can be twisted later, and you'll be the one paying the price. Let's recap with a quick checklist to protect yourself before it's too late. 1. Demand full financial disclosure, every account, every document. 2. Pull your credit reports and close all joint debts before signing anything. 3. Review every single line of your settlement agreement, especially the ones that mention waivers or future claims. 4. Get independent property or business appraisals. Don't rely on their numbers. And 5. Make sure your custody and expense terms are crystal clear and fair. Divorce isn't just emotional, it's strategic. You can't control your ex's actions, but you can control how prepared and informed you are. A calm mind, solid documentation, and good legal advice are your best protection. Don't rush the process. Don't sign blindly. And don't let guilt or pressure push you into lifelong regret. If this video helped you, please give it a like and share it with someone who might be about to make these same mistakes. You never know who needs this information right now. And for more real, practical divorce advice, hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because sometimes the best protection isn't a lawyer, it's knowledge.